Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare. First, let's cover the fundamentals. Modern Warfare offers various game modes, each with unique objectives. Familiarize yourself with basic controls for movement, aiming, and firing your weapon. Spend some time in the practice range to get a feel for different weapon types. Customizing your loadout with preferred weapons and perks is crucial for success, allowing you to tailor your playstyle from the very beginning. Effective movement and precise aiming are key to dominating the battlefield. Always aim down sights for better accuracy, especially in engagements beyond close quarters. Tactical sprint allows you to cover ground quickly, but remember it limits your ability to fire instantly. Mastering advanced movement techniques, like slide canceling, can give you a significant advantage in gunfights, letting you reposition rapidly and surprise opponents. Practice these moves to become more agile. Your loadout is your personal toolkit for combat. Select a primary weapon that aligns with your preferred engagement range, whether it's a fast-firing submachine gun or a long-range sniper rifle. Pair it with a reliable secondary weapon. Perks offer passive bonuses, such as increased health regeneration or faster reload speeds, so choose wisely to complement your strategy. Don't forget lethal equipment like grenades and tactical equipment, such as stun devices, for added utility. To truly excel, embrace advanced tactics. Team communication is paramount. Sharing enemy locations and coordinating pushes can turn the tide of any match. Pay close attention to your minimap for enemy pings and objective updates, providing vital intelligence. Always be ready to adapt your strategy. If the enemy is heavily entrenched, consider flanking maneuvers or using different equipment. Flexibility and awareness are your greatest assets for achieving consistent victories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.